Let's talk about the Jordan 6 Retro Cool Gray. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. I'm back. It's your boy Trey, and I'm back with another banger. Man, these shoes is hot as fish grease. I can't believe a lot of people slept on this shoe. I can't believe it didn't sell out. I can't believe it. Man, look, I put 2 raffles in. My wife put one in, and I put one in. We both put one in for 10.5 for my son, and ended up hitting on both of them on Foot Locker. And I should have put one in for me, size 11.5, and my wife for my son, 10.5. But I had to cancel one of them, and we here. My boy got them, man. My 16-year-old got them. He's seen them already, and the boy is happy. I just can't believe a lot of people slept on them, man. But we're gonna get into that. Let's go ahead and unbox these. All right. Oh, and your boy sipping that Grey Goose. Cheers. All right, let's get into it. This box is dope, man. Gray box. Oh man, it's beautiful. Sometimes I get them dinged up, man, but this one, good shape. All right, here we go. Dope, man. These are clean. Man, how come this shoe didn't sell out? How come this? I can't believe it. How come this shoe didn't sell out? The Jordan 5 UNC is gonna sell out. Jordan didn't play in those. But this, man, these are dope, man. Let's take a look. Yeah, man, and I already got a unit. But I went on and passed on them though. I ain't even try to get them on Nike Sneakers app. I said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and pass and I ain't saying they trash. I ain't gonna say it's a must cop. Your boy can live without them, but I just can't believe a lot of people slept on these, man. And it's a family shoe. It's all sizes, kids and I believe toddlers too, man. So. The shoe dope. I went on StockX and I see they below retail. When I went on there, size 11.5, my size, I seen them on there for $197. So, I mean, for the shoe to be below retail, I know the shoe gonna eventually sell out, but if you can't find them in your size, go on StockX and get them. But the thing about StockX, you're gonna get hit with the taxes and those fees. But man, I like the shoe. Fuck it, I'm gonna go and say must cop, man. These are dope, man. Look at that. Look at the ice. Look at the icy bottom. Yeah, man. And I love Jordan 6s, man. I have 2 in my collection. I have the breads, Jordan 6 bread, and I had the black and green ones. I can't think of the name of those, but I had the black and green ones. And Jordan 6 is a comfortable shoe. It's real comfortable. I had no problem with Jordan 6s, man. And your boy have a unit to rock with these, man. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and pass on them. And I got them for Junior, and the boy is happy, man. So. Yeah, that's it, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. And again, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now. All right? I'm out. Peace.